Welcome to Discurso Tidbit News, as we deliver more news that gives you clear perspectives and insightful stories. And for the news this evening, DLSU sweeps UE in UAAP men's volleyball. De La Salle University dominated UE in straight sets 26-4, 25-13, and 25-23 at the UAAP Season 87 men's volleyball tournament on March 8 at MOA Arena. Michael John Fortuna led DLSU with 13 points, while Vince Gerard Maglinaw added 11. The game shifted in set 2 after UE's Dave Harold Poquita suffered a left foot injury, forcing wing spiker Steven Aligayon to step in as setter. Despite Roy Gabriel Pijoyo's 10 points, UE remains winless at 0-6. DLSU now prepares for their showdown against Ateneo on March 12. And now for the next news. Sir Anthony Hopkins releases memoir. Oscar-winning actor Sir Anthony Hopkins is set to release his memoir, quote, "We Did Okay, Kid," on November 4, 2025 under Summit Books. At 87, Hopkins reflects on his journey from his Welsh childhood to his iconic Hollywood roles, including The Silence of the Lambs and Odin in the MCU. The book will also detail his battles with alcoholism, which cost him his first marriage, leading to 50 years of sobriety. Along with personal stories, the memoir features never-before-seen photographs offering an intimate look at one of cinema's greatest actors. And for our last news, Ginebra advances to PBA Finals. Barangay Ginebra crushed Northport 126-99 in Game 5 of the PBA Semifinals on March 7 at Araneta Coliseum, securing a 4-1 series win. A third-quarter explosion led by a 27-5 run gave the Gin Kings a commanding lead, leaving Northport unable to recover. This marks Ginebra's 32nd finals appearance, setting up a highly anticipated rematch against TNT Tropang Giga, the team that denied them the titles last season. The best-of-7 final series tips off March 14 at MOA Arena. And that is all for the evening news. Keep an eye on Discurso Tidbit News as we deliver more news that gives you clear perspectives and insightful stories.